This is a demonstration of proof of delivery by MSS software. You're looking at the screen of a barcode reader here, and the first thing we're going to do is log in. From the login, you can pick a user. It could be typed in or pick from a list. I'm going to pick somebody from a list here. And now I'm ready to make deliveries. With deliveries, you can stage or you can go ahead and just deliver things. This is the main screen for doing all these activities. So we're just going to click new for creating new stages. We're delivering by PO number, so I'm going to scan a PO number. And I'm going to enter items that are going to be staged for that PO. When I'm finished, click done. And I have another one I want to stage. I'll click new. And go ahead and scan the PO number and add the items. Done with that one. And I have one more. Okay, I'm finished. Now the person that just got through staging these items to be delivered is not the person that's going to make the deliveries. Also, I want to show you from the screen, this main screen here, you can put some more new ones on, or you could add ones that you've already added, or you can delete them. And the final thing is, of course, to deliver them. So we're done right now. I'm going back here, and I'm going to log Bill Crum out. And the delivery guy is going to actually make the delivery, so he would log in. Dave Stone. So Dave notices as soon as he logs in that he's got 3 stages to deliver. So he clicks on deliveries, and he can pick which PO he wants to deliver first. First thing it's going to ask is for the location. So I have barcodes I can scan for location, and I can enter a memo for each item, or I can just hit the enter key and just start scanning items. Whoops, scanned incorrect item. Tells me this, not in this stage. Go back, look, find the right package, scan it, and you can see that we've scanned 3 of 3, got them all, and we're ready to proceed and get these signed for. So from the list, I can pick somebody from the list, or I can actually type somebody in if they're not on the list. So I'll pick Jim Hall and hand the reader to Jim Hall to sign for it. Once that's done, hit accept. And it'll go back to that main delivery screen there, so I can pick the next PO. I pick the next one. Okay, I'm ready to go to the location, scan the location, and memo if there was something wrong with something I could put. For example, looks damaged, just for that one item. So I scan that item, and the next one's okay, so I just scan it. Proceed. Pick someone off the list. Tom Hansen. Get Tom to sign for it. And when I'm finished, click accept. See if there's any more that I have to deliver. Yep, there's one more PO. Click on that. Go to the location, make that delivery, and nothing in the memo. Hit enter. Go ahead and scan the item. Finish with this one. Proceed. Now I can I can also accept this without getting a signature, and we can say that this was delivered to some place where they don't, there's nobody there to sign for it, so I can just accept it. Just won't have a signature. Okay, and so I see that there's no more stages to be delivered, so I'm going to click Done. Take the barcode reader back to the headquarters so that someone else can download it. Now you can see that there are 6 deliveries, or 6 packages that were delivered, and we had made 3 stops. There's no more stages. So log out Dave. Okay, right now you're looking at the proof of delivery database. This is on the PC, and we're getting ready to import some data into this database from the handheld, which has already transferred the data to the PC. We just need to import it to this database. So if you look at the screen right now, you'll see that there are records in here now. Not many, just a few. But we're going to import about 10 records more that's been collected by the handheld. In the import file area here, you'll navigate to whatever folder that you use to transfer the data from. And once that's set, it'll always look in that area. So you can see that we have a folder called POD folder, and that there's a text file there, pod.txt, that we always look for when we start up the database here. So if I browse, I can look at it. There it is. It's in that folder right there, POD folder. And all I have to do is click the import button, and the data will be transferred. As you can see, the data came in, and here is the data, item, location, PO, for example, who signed for it, and like that. Now, if we want to do a search and find a particular record, then we click this search field. And there are 5 or 6 fields here: item, location, CMR, PO, signer, and deliverer. So depending on if you've collected data in all those fields, you can search. So for example, let's say we want to search by location, and the value that we want to search for here is SP200. So that's the location. I click go. It pulls up 3 records. These were signed for all at the same time by Gary Dingle. And if we want to create a report on that so we can email it to somebody, we just click the create report. It brings up the report. We can save it as an Excel, or we can save it as a PDF, and we can email it out. I can reset all these records back to their normal look and do a search for a different field. Let's say we want to search by PO, and we'll put in the PO number would be, let's say, 520001. Click go. Pulls up 2 records. These were both under the same PO number, and again we could do a report on that. You can even search by date. Say you're looking for specific records on a specific date. You click the down arrow, pick the date, okay, 21st to 22nd, or maybe 21st, and then you can do a search, and you got to click the use dates button here too. Click go, and of course there's no records there because this is the 20th. So it's pretty easy to use this, and it's useful in finding records very quickly, and this database will keep all these records in there. So that pretty much shows that functionality of proof of delivery.